whole room. Good morning, good morning. Hold on. Let's bring the mic a little closer. Good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing today? We ain't got no major news today, so the market should be moving smooth selling, no fundamentals today. And what I mean by fundamentals, news won't really affect the market as big today. So what we're gonna do is draw spots in the market where we like to enter. And yeah, let's get straight into it. Let's get straight into it. So all right. So we're gonna do top down. As you can see, price probably will come up to here. That's what the monthly is telling me. I get some type of pull somewhere around here. So we're gonna do green, monthly, buys. You don't really have to do this, because in one day it's not gonna come in a monthly time. So weekly, price would at least come back to this wick because it has to fill out the wick. So you can do sales here, sell, weekly, week, zone. You want price to come here, and price also want to come here too. But we got to see where price is going. And then one thing I like to do is usually if the market push up like this, usually it comes back down and gives you 50 most of the time. Don't think because one time someone show you the example, it never comes back. Usually if it breaks out, it'll always give you 50. It will always give you 50. Boom, breakout, boom, breakout. Break 50. It will always give you 50, at least 50 on higher time frames. That's what I have noted. I mean, it has to pull back. Pull 50. Pull 50. Pull 50. Pull. But if you see consolidation like this, pull. Because sometimes it don't give you 50, but most of the time it does give you 50. Pull 50. And you got to follow the trend. But as of right now, it pull. You have to find other consolidation. Pull. You at least, and look, you at least want it to come back to over here. So price is in a bullish momentum. We want price to come to here. And we don't see our price come out to here, we could have price come out to here. The daily ain't really showing me. Daily just showing me it was a strong bullish for almost a week. And it needs to retrace. It's been strong. So the 4 hour, what is the 4 hour showing me? The 4 hour showing me it dropped here, it dropped all the way up here, and it came back right here where price is at. This was the last major drop right here. That's what price is telling me. It dropped here, it came back up, it retest price, and you had a reaction from it. You know, that's what 4 hour telling me. 1 hour telling me if it comes back over here, it could probably push up. make this blue because our enter is gold. So you got the blue box for the 4 hour. We're just doing the top down analysis. See what the market give us 1 hour. You can see price want to push above here. And 15-minute, you see price push aggressively up here. Probably a 930 candle that pushed it because New York opening. Yes, New York opening pushed it. Then if you look for some type of momentum. And I knew this is going to keep going on. All right, so that's what we see for Nas. So Nas. All right, we go to 30 now. Usually it correlates. First, want to fill out his wig. You gotta remember little candles. You gotta remember. Look at this as little candles. What little candles? Sometimes you gotta look at the market. What little candle do? If it wants to consolidate, it comes back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. That's your advantage on a monthly. Back and forth, back. If it comes up and you see the red candle come down, it gotta fill out. So this got to fill out. It's not just gonna stop here and then. No, it has to fill out. All right, it's at its highest point. Like come here, red, it has to fill out. You see, it fills out every time. I know y'all don't get what I'm talking. So let's just replay. As you can see here, once it came up to here in the monthly, it has to fill out. So look, so as you see, this is the buy candle. You push. Once that monthly came up to here, like right here, you know, monthly, and this is why the monthly is good. If the monthly came up to here, you know, price is coming down to here, and y'all know that's a lot of points. So look, price will at least come down. You see how it came down? It feels it. I ain't gonna say it's perfect, but you know, price comes down. You enter the red, you think it's gonna come here, it comes down to here. So price gave you a momentum of this. So you knew that gave you 3,000 points. Little moves like this, you can notice on a monthly. Okay, price push up. Price push up. Price push up. Look how much points that is once you've seen that. 3. You can understand 3,000. That's about 2,000 points. So in a monthly, you can really break it down. You know price is going there. You see this wick? See the wick? You know price at least coming here. Look where it's at. And price came out to here, filled out the wick. Wait, that's 1,700 points. And look at it, filled out the wick again. If you want, filled out the wick again. And this is why you want to look at the monthly, because you can figure out little moves like this. You know, prices at least got to go here from here on the monthly, and that's 2,000 points. And you go on smaller time frames to identify your moves. So we got the weekly. So let's just exit replay mode. as y'all can get that example. So what the monthly is telling me, it wants to come right here. You want price to come at least right here. At least right here. With the weekly telling me, price will come back here. I just don't know when. So you can look for some type of, like, even if price come above here, sales will come at least back to here. You just don't know when. That's what the weekly is telling me. Because look, it wicks strongly, it comes up. 3 weeks later, it comes back down. Sometimes knowing stuff for 3 weeks is actually good in this market. We just want to look for advantages. So if you know our advantage, it will come back down here one day. Just leave it. But right now, here's our advantage and here's our advantage. We know price will at least touch here, and you know price will at least touch here. So daily, what is daily telling us? Daily telling us it's just bull. It's bull high. It switch. It switch. You have to break a structure. So you want price either to come here or here. And now you identify price. Where do you want price to go? Do you want to catch the wick or fill, or do you think price will go here? And that's what we have to figure out. That's the confusing thing. Daily. So as the daily shows us, price came back to the big drop. This is where the big drop was at. Price always retouch. Got to retest. So boom, it drops here, come back down, go up. Price never came back to here. We come here. Price came back here. Now I call these daily zones. Sometimes just identifying higher time frames is good, even if you trade on lower time frame, because that's where you can figure out more TP points to have advantages in the market. Sometimes you just don't want to keep doing 2 to 1s. You can actually get a 6 to 1. So just figure out advantages. Daily zone never touched here. Come back here. Gotta come at least to here. So I will want to sell here, or I will want to sell here. So if it's sell and it fails, you can wait to here and then sell. And if it doesn't sell, at least here. So you want your sell to come here. This is all you want to do. If you sell, you want it to come to here, or you want it to come to here. But if you buy, you want your buys to come up to here. You have to figure out how the market is moving and what the moves is giving you on time frames. If it's telling me it doesn't want to sell, you sell up to there. If it's telling you want to buy, you buy up to here. But you know, it will have an effect here. It will do some type of drop or some type of consolidation in these areas. That's what it basically is telling you, because it's never been here before. It can come back, come down, come up. It can come down, consolidate, come up. It's going to do something in these areas. Right here, it's probably consolidating, as you can see. Now, you want price, so at least come back up to here. That's your buy zone. Price to at least come up to here. So now we in enter zone 1 hour. 15 minutes. See it filled out the wick. We want to see price come somewhat up to here, and that's enough points. It's almost 100 points. Now we wait. Or you want to see price come back to here. One hour is stronger than that. Point the high time frame is good for him. Or price. Or it will come back down here. So going on, price will come back to here. Sell points. Take profit. Because I don't want to put another red line. Oh shit. Sell point retest of 4 hour. Right here. Price wants to fill back up. And now price wants to come back up here. It has to respect it. Price has at least come back up to here, but you want price for what it is. 42. Take price for what it is. You want it to come back up to here, and if it comes back up to here, it will go even higher. At least price. Price at least has to touch here. Basically. Which it did already. Okay, you see this wick? It came up. Wick, it never came up to here though. You want to catch it for here. It has to fill out this wick. Has to fill out these wicks. And it could probably go back down, or like I said, the sell point could be up to here. But we don't have major news today. And this is what we waiting on. And it has to come down in here for. Has to come up to here. All right, my fault. So we live every Wednesday. Tap in. We live every Wednesday. Tap in. We live every Wednesday. 9:30 to 11 o'clock. Tap in. Oh shit. Hold up. Yo, what's good? What's good, my boy? Hold up. I gotta share this link. All right. Yo, man. I don't know. I'm just trying to catch this quick little move, to be honest. Really, I'll probably catch it to like right here. A little 2 to 1. The price stop playing. But I man, these past weeks, man, your boy and his trading shit, the nigga been feeling a little down, like as in they don't be wanting to trade sometimes. Nigga only find it. Nigga keep losing and shit. You know, when you lose, you just be wanting to take a break. Cause I ain't trade Monday, I ain't trade Tuesday. I put the 200. I'm proud of this nigga. Yo, yeah, he can hear me. Yeah, I put the 200 in a Robinhood, but shit, I might just do that. Man, I was trying to host a call, see what you see in the market yesterday. Alright. I was trying to see what you see yesterday, but shit. I'm gonna just try to hopefully I could just get up to shit at least here. At least get up to here. I'll be cool. I think price will go up to here, but shit, I ain't really asking for too much. There's probably like $1,000 on my FTMO. I'm at like 500 right now. Profit. Maybe I get $1,000 off this. That's all I need. To be honest, I ain't really asking for too much. And then the options. Yeah, please. Yeah, I need some help, man. I'm trying to start looking at like the daily and shit. It's like the daily helps you to know where price is going, but shit, the daily show you where price is going, but it's like, man, they be like the daily be up here, but I be like, all right, it's about to buy. The niggas be like, it's sale. How the fuck is it sale? But I don't know, man. Cause look, let me see. The week I just went over this shit. Like I think price will come back to here eventually. Like that's why I kept saying sell, sell. I want to see price come back to here, but as of right now, all we got is buys. Until otherwise, I think price will come back down to here, and I also think price will come up to here. Like guarantee, I'm not trying to joke. Price will touch here and it will touch here. I don't know when, but I just know it'll touch these two spots. It'll come up to down here one day, and it'll come up to here. That's what the monthly and the weekly be telling me. Guaranteed. So I'm at a yeah. Let me put this on my US30 shit. Let me put this on this one. You know, I had to put somewhere down here. We're gonna put this because I gotta write notes. Sometimes I like going back, seeing the trade I took. Gonna put that here. I'll probably just take I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, I think price will go higher, but if it hit here, I'm gonna just take profit. And I ain't really gonna. You see, I ain't in the most comfortable spot right now. I don't really feel like, you know, when you're on a losing streak, man. You still supposed to follow your plan, but I won't really in the mood to trade too big today. I just go lie every Wednesday. Go here. Got this nice 2 to 1. We can come back, write some notes for today, see what we seen. At least price, like I said, I want price to come here, but I'm not even willing to hold this shit to here. Yeah, but you gotta show me that option shit, man. It seems like you can make a cool little. you make a cool 100 a day. That's all I need, man. I'll take where you at now? Cause all I take is 100. I'll be cool. Give me 100 a day. I'll be good. $100 a day. I'll be cool. It's the FTMO. Like I said, but if it at least come to here, it's gonna push up even harder. That's all I know. That's why I said if it come here, it's gonna push up harder. Or if it go back to break even, I'm gonna just exit. Like I said, I don't feel the safest right now. Guarantee I can see price coming up to here, but I just don't feel like taking no L on no account right now. So maybe I shouldn't be trading because I don't feel the most comfortable. But you see, I see buys to next week. So look, if you see buys up to next week, I see it going up to here or at least. Monthly, low key, yeah. Because it might want to. What I noticed, what you told me when you look at high time frames, the shit is kind of easy. As in, yes, price could come back to here, but probably not now. But if it came like 50% of this, I'm starting to notice the shit, and it's in the uptrend. Usually, it's gonna fill out this whole red shit, so price got to come back up to here. That's why I say at least got to touch here. And then what you told me about the wicks have to fill out. I've been looking at that shit for like 2 hours straight, just looking at the market. I was trying to do that shit yesterday with you, but shit, my nigga was sweet. But I was just looking at that shit. Wicks always fill out, like right here. Wicks, and especially if it's in the uptrend. So like, it broke structure here. It has to at least come back here. It always come back here. We just don't know when. And I'm starting to notice that shit. So it's like, all right, when can you find buys to actually come in? That's the only point. So you know, at least it's always going to come back to the fill out its wicks. So that's what I've been noticing. Wicks always fill out. I think, yeah, you told me that wicks always fill out. That's why I'm like, price got to come back to here, right? It never filled out this wick. Really, it never filled out open areas in the market. So I think price will at least come back to here eventually. I just don't know when. Then Daily's only got to have a reaction because price never even came back to here. So I want price to push up to here. Like I said, we at our take profit. Most likely it won't stop here. Probably keep going, but like I said, usually I should take advantage of my winners. I'm at 1,500. I'm gonna just take profit now. Give me back over the 97K. Like I said, I just want to pass this challenge. But I don't feel in the best. I don't feel in the best way. So today, this is what we got. We got a nice 2-to-1. We gonna usually I started writing notes. So usually you say why you take this trade even. So you're gonna put a W right here, make it big letters. Make this shit big. Maybe make it green. For W, and then usually I come back at like 6, 7. And then yeah, 6, 7, and yeah. Yeah, you told me that wicks always fill out. So once you told me that, I said, bro, let me just go on a month. I did this for like 3 hours, bro. I said, look, if you follow the trend and then it wicks up and it wicks back, it's gonna fail. We just don't know when. So that's always a good TP point. That's why I got it going. Where is my I already won this trade, so I won it like 1,700. Let's see, like this. I need to delete all this shit. I just want this chart for like where I entered from. I've been doing this same Yeah, you put me onto this too. I never deleted this chart. I had this shit since 2022. I've been writing shit. I just been writing shit. I'll just be going down. I'll be like, what I do different? What I do wrong? I remember I used to write notes every day. And I started writing notes, and then I started calculating pips. That's why numbers started changing. First, I went from notes to calculating. So yeah, and I sometimes let's see, retest. As you can see, started calculating the numbers. But yeah, like I said, that 30, like I said, I knew price would at least come up to here. I just, like I said, I'm not in the most comfortable position to stay in the market, so I didn't want to hold. Price will at least come up to here though. And if it stop here, it's going to wick down. It's out. Like I said, I just want price going. I don't know what the market's going to do. But that's a nice 4-to-1. Nice 4-to-1. But nah, I want you, bro, come on. We gotta do this. I'm about to go. I'll probably be back at the crib 7, 6, like 6. Like I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit you when I go back to the crib. Because after this, I'm gonna be y'all. I gotta run some shit. I'm gonna hit you. Shit. I need help with them options, bro. Because at least I don't really be wanting to show niggas profit off the FTMO. I ain't really making that money. If I had the account, I'd probably like, yeah, niggas, this is the money I'm making. But I'm gonna try to do the what's it called? The options make like 100, cause that shit more realistic. I make a little 100, boom, I can show the niggas, hey, I made 100 real quick. Tap into Discord or something, tap into the live. Yeah. But as you can see, price will come back to the. I ain't really got too much to trade today. I could tell you what price want to go. I probably wouldn't trade him my down. So I don't really see where price wants to go on Nas. I read a bar too. But we know 30 where they wanted to go. Yeah, I got the 200. Yeah, I just got the 200 in Robinhood just sitting. I'm waiting on you, my boy. Nah, low key, I probably should just test this shit off. Oh, hold on. I'm trying to. Oh, shit. I think fucking Robin Hood fucking. Oh, shit. Hold on. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, that shit cool though. Alright, so then we deposit 400 around here instead of fucking 200. That's I ain't noticed that shit. Oh, world. How the fuck I even do? They ain't even take money on my account. Hold on. I don't know how I got 400 in here. Once. How did the deposit? I need to put 200 back. Sure. How do you withdraw again? Oh shit. I gotta figure this shit out. Cancel. Alright. Oh, I could just cancel. Oh, I could just cancel one transfer. Okay. Yeah, so I got 200 now. I got 200. You could just cancel it, shit. I thought about to say. I got 200 up there. I'm gonna hit you tonight. Oh fuck yeah, this gonna hit here. It's gonna hit. 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 Was I could have made about 3. Like I said, I'm not in the best mood to like. I don't feel like what's up, girl? Hey, I ain't in the best mood to trade. So a nigga just said, "Fuck it, I ain't gonna do too much today." Hey, wait, who won the game? I ain't gonna watch that shit last night. You know, man, I ain't gonna lie. I think I'm on full on Knicks mode, bro. I be like, I keep telling niggas, they be like, so much good games, the Timberwolves, the Nuggets. I be like, I don't give a fuck, bro. I just want to watch the Knicks. I'm glad the Knicks not. I hope the Knicks at least make the Eastern Conference Finals. I could watch the playoffs till then. If the Knicks can make it, we gonna beat the Pacers. But Mitchell Robinson out. I like that nigga. He trash. Nah, he ain't trash. He just a big body. Like, he a good defensive big body to put in. We play today. We play at 8 today. You know I gotta tune in. We play at 8 today. And I'm good at sports betting. I be making money off. That's one thing I make money off of, bro. I ain't going to cap. I make money off of sports betting, but I just don't do it. I swear to God, bro. Like you could look at your back end on like FanDuel shit like that and other shit like ESPN bet. I made like 3,000, and then I just got the fuck off. Cause you find advantage. It's like the market. You find advantages. If you're willing to give me if I deposit 100, I think it was giving out like $500 or some shit. If you deposit $500 to get another 5,000, they'll really give you $500 to play with. And if you're betting stat trash, you can't win that at least $1,000 or at least 500. You could get your money back. If you can't get your money back with 1,000 to 500, I need to write a chart. I did a whole PowerPoint on this shit. It's on my MacBook. I could have showed y'all, but look, you get all right, 500. Yeah, match your 500. You get 1,000. So 1,000 you cannot withdraw unless you place bet. So you telling me if you can at least make the money you got out. Usually I make 1,000. I would stay at break even, but the break even is good because they're willing giving you 500 if you get what I mean. Because ESPN was giving out 500. I deposited my 500. I think I made like 3,000. Which one I just did it off for? I almost made break even. Underdog fantasy. It won't that much, but I just know I could take advantage. Underdog fantasy. So look, the deposit. I should have been did it. I remember you could deposit 500 and they'll give you 500. I was late to that. I wasn't really into sport. I just want sports betting. But man, that Knicks got to me, man. I said they'd give you $100 to match your $100. So I said, bro, that's a guaranteed $200. I just want a quick 100. Then I think I made like 250 or betting. And then yeah, that's it. 250. And then the shit hit. And then I'm gonna try to see if it's any, because it's the playoffs. So I'm gonna look tonight, see if there's any other thing I could find, and like any other sports betting that give me advantage. I just like advantages. I don't want to just straight up bet. Give me extra money, because I'm not on all these sports betting. I might just take advantage of all of them. If you're willing to give me $200, $300 for free, and I can bet, and I'm already good at betting, I could place $100 and win 200 without any bonuses. But you want to look for bonuses, basically shit that give you guaranteed to make you money. Guarantee I won't make money if you just sports bet. You can, like I can, but it's not like I know this is a guarantee. If I put 500 down and then you're willing giving me 500, the minimum you're supposed to make is 500. If y'all don't make at least 500, so if the sports betting app give y'all 500 and you gain 500, so you have $1,000 to play with. Minimum you gotta withdraw 500. I really say minimum 7. You gain $200. But most people scared of that shit. Yeah, sports betting easy, but I just look for advantages. Like me, I don't want to. I only place 2 legs. I only do 2. Max I do is 3. I'm not placing no 8 leg shit. Cause look, 8 leg shit. Even if you place an 8 leg, I keep telling niggas. I said sports betting is kind of like, if you know how to trade, you kind of know how to sports bet. It depends on which sport you like. I said, bro, you just look for advantages in the it's like the market. Yeah, you look for advantages. You know how you look for your key points, key advantage to place that trade. You just look for the key players. Shit. Sometimes players they will have sometimes they'll have a fucked up ticket like Tyreek Maxey for 2 threes. You tell me he can't hit 2 threes? Even though if he don't, I'm willing to place that every time, because most than likely 70% of the time the nigga gonna hit 2 threes. And then I'll probably place another one thing for 2 rebounds. Like I say, Joel Embiid for 8. They not gonna put Joel. They gonna put someone like Kelly Oubre. That's what y'all gotta look out for. Most niggas will bet on like the mainstream niggas. You would never get nothing crazy from a mainstream nigga. I usually get it from a role player. So a role player, let's see a nice role player. A role player like Aaron Gordon or Michael Porter Jr. They will have some type of advantage in there. I see it every time. I don't really be betting on like niggas. I ain't gonna lie. I know your ass like betting. I don't bet on Luka because it's like guaranteed he gonna get. It's like this is why I don't bet on. Maybe on other sport betting apps, but Luka on FanDuel, he not gonna make me no money. He gonna have his 30, but that 30, yeah, Luka going hit, but it's like his plus minus don't be that high. You know, I be in it like underdog fantasy. I bet Luka because it doesn't matter. They don't have that plus minus up here. They just got higher or lower on this shit. Like this, I will bet Luka all day. But on FanDuel, I'm not betting Luka because look, I ain't been on FanDuel in a minute. Luka, this nigga will drop 35 for a negative 100. Come on, bro. Even though it's probably because that's what he averaged, but yeah, Luka sweet money. It's like Luka going hit for you though. Like, look, let me log in. Town. So Luka played. Let's just go to NBA. Luka played tomorrow. Like, look, I'm gonna just show you. Nigga, Luka can drop 35. It would be a negative. That's why I don't be liking that shit. All right, look, 35 points. Luka. Oh, it's plus 180. It's probably like Luka negative 175. How you show this shit? It's probably, I don't see no focus. It's probably not focusing, but it's negative 165 for Luka. Because Luka's a stat machine. And I remember one playoffs, I think I almost won $2,000 on role players because I knew Luka like passing that shit. Let's see. Like, this is a better I'll do. I'll probably look into it because I don't know if Derrick Jones Jr. shoot threes. Nah, I wouldn't even do this, but watch this. I can show y'all that. Hold on. I'll show y'all something crazy. You can have Chet for 3 threes because he stretch out the floor. I'll probably do something like this: 2 legs. I got Chet for 3 3, Derrick Jones for 1 3, and look at that. That's $100 if I bet $10. Derrick Jones for 1 3, and what's his name? Chet Holmgren for 3 threes. That's $100 with a $10 bet, and I will bet that. You got to think about it. Tell the truth. If I bet that 10 times, if I bet this 10 times, like, so okay. So basically, if I bet this 10 times, we talking about fucking sports and trading. It's probably because I'm done. If we bet this 10 times, well, it's basically the same. If we bet this 10 times, if I bet this 10 times, 3 times it's going to hit. So basically, if I bet this 10 times, that's $100. I will win $300 out of this every time. That's how I bet. I try to see, so even if I fail this one, I wouldn't be mad. Like, if I lose this one, Chet for because it's 10, I'm 10xing my money. But I know if I bet this 10 times, 1 time is going to hit. That's how I look at it, bro. Because I 10x my money. Like, I'm gonna tell the truth. If it was like $40, I wouldn't bet this shit. Because if I bet it 4 times or 3 times, if it was $40 or $30, guaranteed I probably wouldn't hit it. Like, it'd just be like, would I hit 3 times out of this? Probably not, but 10 times, fuck yeah. So I keep betting it because I could 10x my money. It's easy. I look to 10x my money, low key. Like, I could bet the simple way. Like, Luka getting 30, you will win, bro. Because I could look at my back. I won more money than I just don't sport bet. Like, I should take that shit serious because that shit. I feel like I win more money on sports betting than anything. Shit, bro. Every time I don't even sports bet for long either. That's the crazy. Most niggas addicted to that shit. I do it for like a month. Like, I did this underdog fantasy for like 2 weeks. I won like 250. I only put in 100, and then I just got up out of there. Hold up. Yeah, plus yeah. Yeah, like the other sports betting apps, they don't be having plus minus. I've been underdog fantasy and shit. I'm gonna try to find. I might go back to FanDuel because I ain't gonna lie. Maybe because I don't be betting. The only game I be want to watch is the Knicks. Nigga, I'm a fan. Team, bro. I think what we made it for. We made it for. No, we ain't made it for. We won first round last year. We lost in a semi like we are now. but we gonna pass the semi. Shit, we coach. I said, yeah, but shit. He's on the finals. They're on the otherwise, by the Celtics is not trash. Don't tell me nothing. The Celtics is garbage. I could explain the Celtics is garbage. I can really. Who nice on the Celtics? Derek White. I'm not gonna say on Jason Tatum. Jason Tatum is better than Derek White, but I just like Derek White better. Like it'd be certain niggas I like better than a fucking main player. I just don't like Jason Tatum. I don't think he's a number one option. He's inconsistent. He's been inconsistent since he walked in the league. You can see him drop 30. He's inconsistent. Jason Tatum should just be like a defensive guy. Like, get him a coach that know how to let him play defense because his offense is not like that. Because he's too inconsistent. You've been in the league for 5 years. He don't have a go-to move. Then his go-to is the sidestep and it's not efficient. If it was efficient, I wouldn't say he was trash. You can't. I don't even think he trash. He's just not a superstar star. You know how them niggas be like Jason Tatum. He's not top 5. He's top 10. Barely in my 10, but shit. I don't know how niggas. I know Jason Tatum not like that. He shouldn't be number one option. Jaylen Brown. The thing about Jaylen Brown. Is he Jaylen Brown is a player. He's just don't. I'm not saying like Jason Tatum. They're not trash. It's just better niggas. That's all it is. You can't like what Timberwolves is doing defense. I think the Celtics should win that way. I stopped believing in the Celtics when they lost to the Warriors, and I was a Warriors fan. I said, in 2022 when the Warriors won, I said Celtics in 5. I said, bro, I'm a realistic man. I know ball. If the coach really put out a game plan, you can play defense on the fucking Warriors. They're who they had? We had Otto Porter, Clay, Poole, Curry, Green. Who was center? Looney? Looney was center at the time. Looney? Yeah. And then what they had, Al Horford. I don't remember the Celtics. Who the fuck will remember the Celtics team? But they should have won. And they didn't. There's a lot of times the Celtics should have won. Low key, I know you a Heat fan, but the Celtics should have whooped the Heat ass. But the Celtics is so fucking trash. Why? That's why I say the Celtics trash. Why? I ain't gonna lie, bro. You a Heat fan. You gotta be on all honesty. Why couldn't the Celtics beat the Heat? Because they trash. Yeah, the Celtics, they gonna be like Celtics, yeah, they running through. First of all, I'm not even trying to be funny. The Celtics, y'all lost against the Heat. One time without Jimmy Butler. I don't care if they broke a record. Why are y'all losing? I think y'all just gotta be a defensive team. Man, he talking about chill. That man talking about chill. And it's true, shit. I was a warrior. Nice little 4-1 profit. Look, look, man, let's go back to fucking trade. Look, like I said, I knew it was going to hit here, but I'm not in the best state to be trading right now. So I just want to take a small trade, which I won 1,500 off strength of going it right here. So I would have won. I probably would have took profit right here because remember you told me this, and this shit is kind of factual. Wicks fill, and which wick I found, I know was gonna go there. Let's go to it. I think I showed y'all niggas. Hey, right here, because it wicked here. It almost filled. It never filled. It's kind of dangerous because it kind of did fill. Usually, I'm not even trying to be funny. I've been looking at this shit. I'm gonna still study. Usually, if it comes 50 and it goes back down, I just say fuck it. I'd be like fuck it. I think was it the 4 hour? Yeah, I think it was the 4 hour. That's why. Oh no, because I put hour. Yeah, usually I wouldn't do this because it came up already, but it did this, and it's an uptrend. It did this, even though this is a crazy zone. Price could still play around here. It didn't want to break here, so I at least knew it had to go to here before anything. And it could come here too. A sell point, it would be good to here. My point would be good to here. I'm telling you where it wants to go. Like if I was being serious, I would have just held to here. It's points in a market. I want the market to go. I want the market. I want the market to touch here. 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 So even these are like really these are TP points. Take profit points. This is where I want the market to touch. So this is where your crazy advantage come from. Shout out to you, man, because this is where the crazy advantage come from. Like this is a wick now. Wick. I see sales here to come back, but like I said, if it's in an uptrend, I feel like it'll cover this whole candle. If it's usually, bro, I see monthly. Usually, if it goes 50, it covers the whole candle. Like this. It drops. If it came up to here, it's gonna cover out this whole shit. As you can see, this red candle. It dropped, right? If it comes up to half, usually it don't never. It's a monthly too. You have to notice the little things about the candle, and it's an uptrend. Well, not really. Yeah, it's an uptrend because it's not really breaking structure. Even on the month, it's not really breaking structure. So look, this is what you could have seen. It dropped. What was that? At this candle, when it hit this candle 50%, you know at least it's gonna go here to here, guaranteed. So it's gonna go at least to here. So say if we down for the month, it's a red candle. So you enter from here, and if it came up a little bit, right, like right here. Look how much points that is on a monthly. That's what I have to realize. From here to here, that's 600 points. So guarantee you know it's gonna hit there. It's just certain shit I started realizing, like this right here. It's another one, 50. It came up 50%. This blue candle, so guarantee it filled out this whole shit in the uptrend, and that's 1,500 points. So I had to start realizing go on the top higher time frame. But nah, I might be off this soon. I don't really fucking hot in this room, so I gotta throw AC in here. Nah, but look, my boy, yeah, I'm gonna hit you. I'm done with this live stream. It's been an hour. And yeah, man, I'm out. All right, my boy. Damn, should I still look? Should I in the live? Ain't really much to look at, like I said. No. Yeah, let me get off this shit. Gold. I should have looked at gold. I didn't look at gold. I'm gonna do gold tonight. I want to start going live a little more, but yeah, I'm gonna hit you, bro. I'm gonna get off this shit. I'm gonna run some errands and shit. I'm gonna hit you tonight, nigga. Before the game, at least before the game. Man. I'm gonna hit you, bro. But all right, my boy, get up out of here. I would have had some nice profit today. But like I said, I ain't in the best. I would have had this is at least this is a 3.5. Cause I ain't entered my real lot size. This would have been 4 bands. 4 bands, I probably would have held on to like here. Once I seen that push down, I probably just exit. So probably like 5 bands. So yeah. All right, peace.